Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to unlock your Audi A3 steering wheel. First, ensure you have the correct key for your vehicle. Insert the key fully into the ignition barrel. Next, gently turn the steering wheel from side to side while simultaneously turning the key to the on or accessory position. This action should release the locking mechanism, allowing the steering wheel to move freely. Sometimes the steering wheel can feel very stiff, making it difficult to turn the key. This usually happens if the wheel is turned sharply after the engine is switched off. To overcome this, apply gentle but firm pressure to the steering wheel in one direction, then the other. While maintaining this pressure, try turning your ignition key. This technique helps to disengage the locking pin from its housing. If the steering wheel remains locked after several attempts, consider a few troubleshooting steps. First, try using your spare key. Sometimes a worn key can struggle to engage the tumblers. Also, ensure your car battery isn't completely flat, as some ignition systems require minimal power. Remember, never force the key, as this could cause significant damage to the ignition barrel, leading to costly repairs. If you've tried all these steps and your Audi A3 steering wheel is still locked, it might indicate a more serious mechanical or electrical issue. This could involve a faulty ignition cylinder or a problem with the steering column lock itself. At this point, it's best to contact a qualified mechanic or an Audi service center. They possess the specialized tools and expertise to diagnose and safely resolve the problem without causing further damage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.